Hey, what's up guys, it's Laashak again in a new video. Today we are going to be unboxing this LED light for your DSLRs. So it's nothing much than to bring a proper lighting on when you're filming using your camera. So that's how the sides look. They mention features and uses to AA batteries, which are not included. I'm actually disappointed because I don't like batteries that run out, but you can also get rechargeable AA batteries, which is a better alternative. So now let's pull the thing out. So this is the slider for the light. You can mount the light here, and you can use this as the slider. So as that's shown here, and you also have the light itself here, so it's pretty compact, and there's also a user manual inside the light, and that's pretty much it. So the stand feels pretty grippy. It feels really nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. um that's pretty much it, guys. Thanks for watching, and